My name is Clive Liles. I am the Programme Leader and the Admissions Tutor for the MSc Advancing Phsiotherapy Practice Programme that we now run in the School of Sport, Exercise and Rehabilitation Sciences here at the University of Birmingham. What makes this programme particularly unique is that it is housed in a very strong research-led university that provides considerable opportunities for students to engage with staff within the school, both in terms of the teaching and the learning, and much of the research that directly informs the modules that make up a core component of the learning that registrants will undertake. This programme is particularly aimed at physiotherapists both home, EU and international. So we're looking to attract qualified physiotherapists who are particularly looking at advancing either their career development, their professional development, or perhaps their academic skilling. I think prospective students need to take a careful look at what we offer, because we are aware that many of the students that join us are already in full employment and therefore have to secure time out to study with us. So therefore, in terms of the structure and organisation of the programme, we can offer it full-time or we can offer it part-time, and we hope to demonstrate considerable flexibility within that, because we teach in blocks, we also teach using webinars, and we also offer some distance learning opportunities whereby students do not need to attend the university directly. In terms of career outcomes, we are interested in working individually with students to assess their particular learning and development needs, whereby we can design a programme that is bespoke to their requirements for advancing their practice within the clinical arena. So, for example, when we follow the clinical pathway, it is possible for students to take a complement of modules that is accompanied by an aspect of work-based learning that is both mentored and assessed in a specialist area of practice. And this is becoming increasingly important for physiotherapists who need to demonstrate this advanced competence within the workplace. Why should students choose Birmingham? I think particularly when we look at the School of Sport, Exercise and Rehabilitation Sciences, there are internationally renowned researchers who, working in a series of labs that are available there, are developing work that is so important in terms of health and fitness of populations. And this is such an important component of delivering contemporary healthcare. Physiotherapy particularly is becoming increasingly involved in the public health agenda, both within the UK, within Europe, and further wide within the international community. And really the synthesis and the amalgam of what's available and offer in terms of the expertise is admirably suitable to the particular needs of this student group. I think one of my most favourite things about teaching the course is it just generates so much flexibility and opportunity of working, as I've said, with individuals who have very clear and often very different and differentiated learning needs. And one of the most inspiring things is actually seeking to find a solution for those who are engaged in what is a really complex area of providing contemporary healthcare. Why should students choose this course? Birmingham boasts a considerable reputation on the international stage. The school itself, which we've now been part of for 3 years, has very good research facilities, has a very good research staff who are involved in developing healthcare research and associated research that are very important for physiotherapists working out within healthcare. With the school's particular interest in terms of the public health agenda, there are a number of opportunities for practitioners to develop both their clinical and their wider skills within health promotion and health education, which is an essential part of any physiotherapy practice within current society.